What is Oh! Ooh! Ow! Hey cuties! Merry Christmas and happy holidays and anything in between. Oh my god, except these antlers aren't anything but in between. They're like I am going to be doing a Christmas taste test for you guys because it's Christmas and I feel like I haven't done any videos on this channel. But if you guys want to see like a lot of Christmas videos, it's popping off. Ew, I sound so millennial. It's popping off over at the Pink Vlogs. God, it's so ugly. I'm literally gagging. I feel like I've been doing very well in Vlogmas. I'm having so much fun over there. So if you guys want to head on there, I think it's my best Vlogmas it's been in at least 3 years. So I'm very proud of it. But I wanted to give you guys on here, the cuties, a PiinkSparkles taste test that is from the dollar store. Dollar store taste test, Christmas taste test. A lot of these things I haven't seen before, or I just like go on by because I'm like, that's gonna be gross. That's gonna be gross. You know what? Don't judge a book by its cover. Let's go in and let's try some of these things and rate them. Okay, so the very first thing we have is this, I don't know why I got Paw Patrol, but they're, let's see what the paws are talking about. And it's a huge candy cane. Also, low-key love the colors. It's not like the traditional, what the oh my god! Oh my god. So let's see what this tastes like. Does it say a flavor? It just says candy cane. So is it gonna be like the traditional candy cane flavors? Pepper, ugh. It literally smells like dog paws. It smells like how I would envision Paw Patrol to smell like. Okay, without being suggestive. Okay, it just tastes like, did you hear all the air leave my body as soon as I tried this? It was like my lungs were like gasping for air. I was like, okay, it just tastes like, oh, it's turning my mouth blue. It's not bad. It doesn't taste like peppermint though. It kind of just tastes like cotton candy. Yeah, it tastes like very, very sugary cotton candy. I mean, some people like literally crunch and eat these. No, I'm not a psychopath. Well, I am a psychopath, but I'm not gonna do that. So I'm just gonna rate this, I don't know, like 6 out of 10. I don't even know why I bought this. Okay, next up are these. These are mini marshmallows, holiday delights. These were $1.75. They are so nice and pillowy and squishy, and they have all these little designs. There's like snowmen and Christmas trees. Oh my god. Oh no. It smells like when you, oh my god, when you do like a bunch of Christmas baking and then like when you have eggs and butter and brown sugar and stuff like that and then you like throw things away. How am I'm not explaining this correctly. And then you leave it sit in your garbage can for like maybe overnight or a few days. That like smell. Also, I feel like it's in one like clump. Like I feel like I can just grab it all in one clump. Like, like me. Oh my god. Like it just smells like, ooh, it doesn't smell good. But they're really nice and squishy and soft and I can feel like the sugary in there. So maybe that's a plus. This itty bitty Christmas tree, it's so cute. It's nice and fluffy. So I have high hopes for it. Low-key slaps. Fire. I mean, I know the snowman is gonna taste the exact same, but I love the colors. I feel like it's just cute and pastel. I feel like it's so ASMR. Listen to how this like, not crunches, but listen. That sound, it tastes like sherbet. I probably say that wrong, but that's how I grew up saying it. That's how my teachers taught me how to say it. So anyway, that sound is iconic. These are so good, literally so good. Ooh, they're really, do I have a cavity? Oh, I got like a sharp pain when I did that. More money for bills. When $1.75 costs you $400. These are low-key good. I'm gonna keep these and snack on them. They are super, super sweet though, so they're kind of like overpowering sweet, but I'm gonna honestly give these an 8.5 out of 10. They are so good. They're so marshmallowy and like pillowy, soft, not crunchy, not gummy or anything like that. Those are low-key fire. Okay, now we're gonna go with some of these chocolates, these Christmas chocolates right here, which for the dollar store, I feel like this is a good stocking stuffer. The faces look normal. They're not all like distorted or anything like that. I feel like they're nice and they're pretty and it'd be a really good stocking stuffer. So let's, they just say they're milk chocolate, but let's test out how milky and chocolatey they are. Ooh, the dollar store every year surprises me because I'm like, you get so much. Ooh, they smell really good. Which one should we do? I want to do the snowman. He's like, hello, I'm frosty. Okay, perfect. I feel like dollar store chocolate usually doesn't look like this. They'll have like one eye or the nose will be pointed down or something like that. It'll look like me when I wake up. Why does that taste like this? One time, me and Austin were in like, I was buying my Louis Vuitton, something Louis Vuitton. Anyways, this is like a few years ago. And there was this store next door and I don't remember what it was. It was like an expensive chocolate place and we bought like 2 or 3 chocolates. Why is this giving that? This is so good. 9.2 out of 10. These are so good. They're all gonna be the same. I'm eating them all right now. The tree, amazing. So the white chocolate is white chocolate. I know it's gonna sound so stupid, but I thought they were all gonna be milk chocolate and just have like food coloring or something. No, it's like white chocolate and then milk chocolate, and I could taste like the little dark chocolates there. And then what's that, orange chocolate? No, that's probably food coloring. Okay, next up we have one of these like hot chocolate stir stick type things, and it's a little gingerbread man. He's so cute. Dip, stir, and enjoy. I don't have too high hopes of this because this is like a block of chocolate. So it doesn't actually have directions, but it's foolproof. Like it literally just shows it in a mug there. So I have a mug of hot oat milk. We're gonna try this and we're gonna hope for the best. Let's carefully, because we want it all intact. Okay, it's going good so far. Look at him swinging there. He looks nervous. He's about to be dunked in hot lava. Okay, he feels a little unsteady. He's like, I came in like a wreck. And this is hot. It's steaming, okay? So we're just gonna dunk him. Goodbye. Say goodbye. There he goes. Did he change?
I feel like he's gonna just melt.
I feel like nothing's happening. We're just gonna, oh, it says stir. Oh my god, cute. Is his face? I want to see his face go. Okay, how long is this gonna take? Let's be honest. Let's stir a little quicker. He melt. Oh my god, look at him. He's still happy. His smile is fading, but he's gonna die. Oh no, I'm so sorry, Mr. Gingerbread. This is gonna be chocolatey AF. What a cute process though. I feel like this is fun for kids. Good stocking stuffer, good for Christmas morning, you know, get those kids hyped up on chocolate. Okay, I'm gonna try it. It tastes so chalky. And don't even come for me with the oat milk. Oat milk to me doesn't taste chalky. Almond milk tastes chalky to me. Oat milk doesn't. It tastes very creamy and delicious. That's why I drink it, because I just like love the taste of oat milk because it's like creamy. And I've had like oat milk with like hot chocolate other things. This is not the vibe. It just tastes like chocolate. It looks good, like it looks like hot chocolate, but I feel like there's no sweetness or anything like that. It's just like whatever milk you have and then like a little teaspoon of like cocoa powder, where like that doesn't have like sugar in it. Like it doesn't taste like sugary or like, I don't know, it didn't even give it like a creaminess either. It's kind of just a fun little thing. No, it's a no from me. Like it's not bad, it just is like not what I would expect with hot chocolate. Like a 4.5 out of 10, but it's still fun. Okay, next up we have this little sucker type thing. This was $1.50. I loved the aesthetic of it. I feel like Dollarama really like stepped up their packaging. It's not like Rudolph's with like one antler left on the shelves or anything like that. I feel like this is so pretty. Like this looks like something you would get from like a high-end sweet shop, right? Like just the looks wise of it. It looks so aesthetically pleasing. It smells like socks. But it looks so perfect. Oh my god. Oh my god, you. Oh my god, that's like the Bean Boozled challenge. It tastes like the smell of the box of the Bean Boozled challenge. And then I got like the dusty old boot or the old sock one. No, this just is looks wise. It just looks cute. This is literally a 1 out of 10. Goodbye. Next up are some Double Bubble snowballs. These are blue raspberry flavored gumballs. Like, what is a blue raspberry? Has anyone ever seen a blue raspberry before? But we know what it tastes like, right? It's like sour and whatever, but like I've never ate blue raspberries before. Besides this point, gluten-free, peanut-free. I'm that guy right there. So let's go. Ooh, ooh. Okay, it smells like bubble gum right away. Like this, they actually do look like little snowballs or like golf balls or something. They look very festive. Should I just do it all in one? Ow! I was hoping for it to be blue in the middle. Ow! My jaw actually cracked. I'm not kidding, that wasn't a joke. Ow! There's no way anyone's gonna be able to blow bubble with this. Oh my god. It's just like pure sugar, zero blue raspberry or any kind of sour or any kind of flavor other than like bubble gum, and just like pure sugar. These are disgusting. The texture is like, oh, like I'm chewing on like a styrofoam peanut, like packing peanuts. It's like styrofoam things. Oh, I'm gonna try to blow a bubble. 0 out of 10. Okay, next up is this little gummy stick or whatever. This is super cute. Again, very aesthetically pleasing. And this was $1.50. Cut this guy open. Oh my god, that smells phenomenal. It smells like a fruit salad. I love this one. It's so cute. It looks like a sculpture. Like I don't want to eat it. Like I just want to display it. Like this looks so, and the jelly on it, the gelatin or whatever, like the gummies, they feel very soft. So I have really high hopes for this one. Let's go. I'm gonna bite sound his head off. Oh, I'm really not. Ooh. Okay. I was like, these are hard. No, they're not. Okay, let's try the other one to see if they're all the same flavor, and then I'll give you my analysis. Okay. That green one tastes like Star Cam. Okay, now, please taste like a candy cane. Better. I'll go so far as say this one's good. Okay, the green one, terrible. This one, it tastes like cherry or something like that. I like that. Well, I'm assuming this one's gonna be orange. Little Rudolph. Best one yet. This one tastes like, the orange Starburst. Okay, they got better as they went down, okay? So overall, I would say out of 10, I'm gonna give them like a 7.5 out of 10. Not terrible, but I like the festiveness of it. Okay, now we have this. This is a Laura Secord stocking stuffer type thing, and it has peppermint candy inside and this little stuffy. What even is he? He's like a polar bear, I think? So cute! He has such a big nose for a, oh, not me body shaming him. I'm sorry. Let's be free friends. So there's my little sidekick, and then in here you get little peppermint. He was like, I don't want to with you. You literally made fun of me. You get this of peppermint candies, and they're also super little. Also, like, who just like eats peppermint candies? Do you? I feel like that's like an old man thing to do, like somebody's grandpa or something. Like, I feel like my grandpa would love like to just like eat peppermint candies all day or something. Okay. You know what? These are actually pretty good. I love a mint. Like, I just said like, who does that all day? And then I'm like, I love mints. So you're the one, bitch. Like, I'm the one who just sits around all day eating peppermint candies. I actually have a jar of like mints in my kitchen. I'm making fun of someone and the person is me. No wonder this guy left my site. He was like, you are such a hypocrite. I think I'm gonna throw a couple in my purse and then put the rest in my mint little jar there. I like these. They have good flavor. They freshen your breath. What can go wrong with these? And you get a little bear with them. I'm gonna have to say, like, how can you go wrong with mints? How do you even rate mints? Like, I don't know, like an 8.5 out of 10. Like, they're pretty good. Just like, you know what? Oh my god, I'm explaining to you what a mint is. What has my channel come to? Next, the very last thing in our treasure trove of candies are these Holiday Delights gummies. And there's all these, like, they're really hard. I didn't even know that. Oh no. I wanted to end on something good, but these are, like, hard as a rock. Like, ooh, it smells like Jello. It smells like strawberry Jello. So we're gonna have high hopes. Get these little candy canes there. Oh, they're not that hard. These are okay. They kind of have like the consistency of like gum. Like I feel like my body's like, do I swallow this? We're confused. They look very, 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 very sugary, but they're not that sugary. They're not the best thing, but they're not the worst. So for $1, okay. They'll really get stuck in your teeth though, but 7 out of 10. Pretty decent. Okay, so that was everything. That was my taste test for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoy it. Whatever you celebrate, or if you don't celebrate at all, I hope you just have a good day. I hope Christmas goes well for you, for those who are celebrating. Don't get caught up on gifts. Don't get caught up on the amount you're spending for Christmas. I know a lot of people can. Christmas can be a very stressful time, so I hope this video can give you guys some joy or some positivity, and just to know that Christmas is about family, or just spreading cheer. If you don't have family near you, there's always somebody who can make your day, or you can help somebody else, whether that's like buying a coffee for somebody, paying for the person behind you, spreading joy in some way. There is kindness out there, and I don't want anyone to feel alone on Christmas, or even if you don't celebrate, like I said, just alone today or on Christmas Day, or if everyone else is celebrating and you don't have anyone to celebrate with, just know that you are a good person and you deserve happiness, and I truly hope you get it. And you know, there's always online communities of people that also are dealing with the same things, and you never know who can come together and just leave positivity. And for people that are struggling, you don't know what people are going through, so just be kind. And I love you guys, and I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, and love you. Bye.